step-by-step guide on how you can get a web receipt on Cash App. First, you want to open up Cash App, launch the Cash App app on your mobile device, and then we will go into the Activity tab. Tap on the Activity tab, which is the clock icon located at the bottom right of the home screen. This tab shows all of your recent transactions. Then you want to select a transaction, scroll through your transactions and select the one for which you want a receipt. Tap on the three dots. After selecting the transaction, tap on the three dots or the three dot symbol in the top right corner of the transaction details screen. Get a receipt. A few options will appear. You want to choose Need Help and Cash App Support or View Details, and then select Get Web Receipt. This will generate a detailed web receipt for that transaction. And if you want to receive the receipt, you can choose to view the receipt directly, print it, or have it emailed to you for future reference. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.